I was at an event over the weekend and someone walked up to me to say, "Oh my god, your hair is so full. What product do you use?" In my head, I'm like, "Oops, products." I said, "Thank you," but I didn't tell them it wasn't mine. This is the goal. That's the goal, guys. I spent less than 3 hours doing this install and I'm going to show you how to do it. Get your crochet hair. I used 2 packs of kinky coily so that nobody will be able to map my cornrows from the outside. They are always messy. Create a loop with the extension. Take your latch hook under your cornrow, not over it, under your cornrow. Now open the latch hook and catch that loop. Do a double knot and drag the extension. That's basically it. So this is what you'll be repeating over the next couple of hours. 1 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, and you're done. Do it again. Hook under, catch the loop, pull through, ends through the loop, pull tight. Again, hook under, catch the loop, pull through, and through the loop, pull tight. I'm going to let you find your rhythm now, but I need you to check 3 things before you move on from each piece. Is it flat against the scalp? Does it hold when you tug gently? Are both sides even? For the last question, I feel like both sides cannot really be even. I always say my fingers are not equal, but it shouldn't show that it's not even. It shouldn't really show like that. It should look natural and kind of blends together.
Midnight hour, city lights low, got that unbothered kind of glow. Used to need you, that's the old me. Now my own vibe is the gold key. Cause I'm glowing different now. Yeah, glowing different now. This self-assured energy can't bring me down. Ooh, glowing different now.
Hey, just stay a little longer. We don't have to rush tonight. The candles burning low.
This whole step isn't actually where the stress is. Where I find the most stressful was when I was teasing the hair to make it blend with my scalp. And it was like, I make it look like it grew out of my scalp, right? So this entire one is just, you repeating the whole thing, looping, dragging it out, doing your knotting and all. Don't worry about the knots right now. You are going to fix it towards the end of this tutorial. So you better keep watching. You don't have to run away right now. I know your attention span is fried.
Fading Polaroids up in my...
To avoid the boredom that comes with making your hair yourself, I would recommend you play your favorite movie or play some music, play that song, play whatever it is you want to do, just to keep you entertained and busy. And if you have someone there with you, you can just start talking to that person so you don't get bored. This is where you start getting that feeling of regret. Like, why did you start this entire thing? I promise you, doing your hair yourself is so worth it. The end result is always satisfying. You get, so continue.
Thinking back on all the words we said. Now I wear the lessons that I learned. A new fire inside of me has burned. Cause I'm growing through the afterglow. Yeah, I'm growing through the afterglow. Fading Polaroids up in my head. Thinking back on all the words we said. Now I wear the lessons that I learned. A new fire inside of me has burned. Cause I'm growing through the afterglow. I'm growing through the afterglow. Used to listen to the whispers in the dark. Let them tell me I was never enough from the start. But something in my soul decided to...
Remember how I said teasing is where the most work is? This is because I went in line by line at the front to tease the hell out of these extensions to make it look supernatural, right? I went in, like I said, section by section, line by line at the front to tease it like this, so it will look like it came out of my scalp. You understand? This is faking it till you make it. We're not there yet, but we're gonna be there. You understand? So yeah. Tease your hair, tease it line by line. Go in there with your brush and tease it. You definitely like it once you're done. See, like just take a look at this big difference, huge difference. One part has knots, the other part doesn't. Thank you guys for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
This selfish